This is a 6-inch refractor, 150 millimeter. It is a giant. The focal length of it is 1 meter 20 centimeter. So, and I'm holding it on this Dobsonian mount of the Skywatcher flex tube 130p. The telescope itself is a Helios. Helios is the Skywatcher practically. Is a 150 to 1200 millimeter coated optics. It's a massive giant. Again, it's Skywatcher. Both are Skywatcher. This is the Panaview. The view of the plates with this is amazing and not similar to anything I've ever seen. Unlike anything I've ever seen. When I look at the image that the refractor gives, I think that nothing can come close to that. The video is not doing any justice to what you see through this. It's an amazing instrument. Never seen anything like this. Not even the best Meet LX200 8-inch one. That takes a long time to cool down, and this one is just ready the moment you want it. Amazing instrument. Never seen anything like this. Not even the best Meet LX200 8-inch one. That takes a long time to cool down, and this one is just ready the moment you want it. The contrast and the beauty of this refractor, I've not seen anything. It looks like old paintings of the moon landscape, 19th century ones, engravings. You can see why they draw them like that. These refractors are so contrasty. The image quality is superb. The view of the moon is so clear and amazing. I've never seen such a thing in my entire life of observing moon and stars. I can see the little cracks around the Triesnecker crater. They are very fine lines, furrows or gullies or whatever you call them, rills or cracks, and they are only visible in the lunar reconnaissance images. And I've seen them on this telescope. This telescope, 6-inch telescope, is amazing. It's the best telescope ever. Refractor. Of course, I have to mention this is a Skywatcher SWA 13mm 70 degrees. Very good quality eyepiece. 2-inch and 1-inch adapter also. It has, it goes with it. But 2-inch is really good. The eye lens is around 1-inch itself. It's so clear, you can see. I was able to use the 3.5mm eyepiece with any telescope. With this, it takes it. It takes it so easy. It shows clear images. Skywatcher SWA 3.5mm 70 degrees. It's like observing from a spaceship. The camera cannot really show what I can see through the eyepiece, but anyway, somehow it can give an idea, general idea. And you can see my hand is shaking, and the crater in the top left, top right is the crater I was talking about. Triesnecker.